play with her, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Be damn if I let them catch. It's easy to see that you're fitter.
Hey my tinies, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya and I go by Makeup by Tiny D because I am literally so tiny. I am 4'10" and on a good day I am 4'11", but you guys do not need to know about my height. Anyways, today's video is actually going to be on this Halloween look. So it's so pretty, it's so beautiful, and I want to say congratulations to Anayeli for winning my giveaway. I will have another giveaway coming soon, so guys, please be ready for this one as well. It's gonna be a Juvia's palette, so keep a lookout for that one. Yes guys, I'm giving you a little tea. But anyways, with that being said guys, today's video is gonna be on this Halloween look, and if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then make sure to keep on watching.
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't know any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Making you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thighs. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, you need to put you in dancing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Play this song for me, let's say. Said he keeps on playing games, and his loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get this name. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switch your lanes in the thing. Slow 5, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no snake. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the word, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me late, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.
So cold. H-Town got me feeling so cold. H-Town got me feeling so cold. Rock paint and flip in the phone. H-Town got me feeling so cold. Still fire in the world so cold. H-Town got me feeling so cold.
Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Be damn if I let them catch. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't know any ever. Do all I can just to show you it's special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Making you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thighs. Light up a spliff and get high. Shout it, you need to put you in dancing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be driven. Play this song for me, let's say. keeps on playing games, and it's loving ain't the same. I don't know what to say, but what a shame. If you were mine, you would not get the same. If you were mine, you would top everything. Suicide in the drop, switching lanes in the thing. Slow 5, baby, no propane. Got good pussy, girl, can I be frank? Keep it 100, girl, I ain't no saint. But he the only reason that I'm feeling this way. Giving you the word, baby, when you get space, big gang, give me late, baby, that's penetrate. Oh, baby.